Here they are. It's getting darker now. We've had our dinner, had our snacks, our drinks, and probably a lot more drinks later on. And here the boys are organising a little bonfire at the beach. Mr. Boy Scout Ian, I think, was also getting involved in this. These boys have done it for a long time. There's the lovely Lola. In the dark a bit. Yeah. And our wonderful whopping big tent. That was fantastic, that tent. Gee, check it out. The boys know what they're doing. They came with their kindling and their pieces of wood. And the wind's blowing. Ooh, watch out there, guys. Everyone's starting to sit around the fire now. And I might just see. There's only one person. Only one person. Yay! It's absolutely blazing. Look at that. They know what they're doing. And there's been a lot of fireworks tonight too. They keep starting here and there. More and more people. Look at this. This is the little kiddies' house here. This is where the kiddies go to sleep. This is where the kiddies are going to sleep.
¿Es video?
Yeah, video. Hello. Whoops. Yes. There they all are.
Hola.
Hola. And there's one person left in the tent and we can't see you very well. Unfortunately, we can't see. It's all very dark. I can't put the light on, I don't think, but that there is Mr. You look totally black, that's all. At the moment, a whopping big tent. And people are starting to scatter everywhere along the beach. There was hardly anyone here before and now they're all starting to come. Now it's getting darker. Party atmosphere everywhere. They're scattered all over the beach. And more will be coming later.
Va, Marta, tira cosas. Tira, ahí.
Oh boy, there's a lot of booming going on. A lot of smoke. Where? Oh, missed that one. Missed that one. Everyone's going, ooh, ah. Nothing?
No, yo un cigarrito. Yo quiero un cigarro. ¿Quién me hace un cigarro?
Finish that one. Sometimes it's hard to tell whether someone's lighting a cigarette or setting a cracker.
Aquí és molt someu, el dels gats.